Hello, my name is Mark from Arridge Garage Doors. This is a video showing how to measure for your new garage door. We need dimension 1 is the width from brick to brick or block to block across the opening. The second dimension is from the floor to the underside of the lintel. And we need to know how much room there is on the rear of the pillar on the left and how much usable side room there is on the rear on the right. And the final dimension is from the ceiling, the lowest point of the ceiling, to the underside of the lintel. Things to look out for with the types of door that sometimes have long tracks going back into the garage is if there's anything on the side walls or low beams on the ceiling that might interrupt the mechanism. With these sizes and digital photos of the inside of your garage, we can quote and advise accurately on any of our products, so please, with that information, get in contact with us.